Hi and welcome back to my channel Lifestyle Gupshup. Hope everyone is doing great. So today's video is going to be a DIY video. So here I'm going to talk about for the lip care. So yes, before that, if you are watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Sonika and I make videos related to beauty, fashion, DIYs, makeup and lot more. So if you don't want to miss any kind of this video, you just have to do one thing is subscribe to my channel and like this video if you really like the DIY which I shared. So let's get started with the DIY. So today's DIY is for the lips, as I said. So nowadays we use a lot of matte kind of lipstick and our lips turns to be very chapped, dry, and also a lot of pigmentation over our lips. So to prevent that lip pigmentation and to make that pigmentation little more lighter and make your lips chap free and soft, you have to see this DIY. So you can see the result in one day also. It will make your lips very soft, and this DIY you have to use it at least thrice a week regularly and you will see a lot of difference in your lips. So just take a look in the DIY.